This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to notarize a car title in Ohio. This process is crucial for legally transferring vehicle ownership, ensuring everything is official and preventing future issues. To begin, it's vital to gather all necessary documents and ensure both the buyer and seller are fully prepared. Understanding each step will help you navigate the notarization smoothly, saving you time and avoiding common mistakes. Let's dive into the details to make your title transfer seamless and secure. When selling a vehicle, the seller must first accurately complete the assignment of ownership section on the title. This includes the selling price, date of sale, the buyer's full legal name and address, and the vehicle's precise odometer reading. It is absolutely critical that the seller does not sign this section until they are physically present before the notary public. This ensures the notary can properly witness the signature and verify the information. After the seller completes their part, the buyer then fills out the application for certificate of title section. They must accept the odometer certification and provide their name, address, purchase price, and any lien holder information. Both the buyer and seller must present valid photo identification to the notary. The notary's role is to verify these identities and confirm that all sections of the title are completely and accurately filled out before witnessing signatures. To ensure a smooth notarization, always bring valid government-issued photo identification for both the buyer and seller. Remember, the title must be entirely filled out. Never leave any blank spaces. Any erasures, whiteouts, or alterations on the title will unfortunately void the document, requiring a replacement. If you are unsure about any step, contact your local clerk of court's title office or a licensed notary for guidance. This helps avoid delays and additional fees.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.